As I fled off fate, I never turned around. I stayed in the sun while I was on the run from every truth that didn't suit my needs. But it's over now, and I feel the quake shaking at my core. And it's a cold winter now. There's a dove with broken wings inside my chest.
Look at the guys, huge moves. Like super huge. Like the big guy. Really big guy. Wow, this is a gorgeous. Holy. I want to show you guys. See him still. Oh, this is right there.
The dislocation slowly gets pushed back.
Look at this, guys. There is a huge animal, and already was eaten by someone. So yeah, really like, oh, this looks like moose. Yeah, this is the 100% moose, and someone already ate him. So probably he was hit by the car, and then as a fact no one cleaned it, and he was eaten by wolves. This is the first thing I want to share you guys. So this is my boots. I always use it for ice fishing. The reason why, they are waterproof till here, and the Columbia, they have a special material, so it's hot. I never get cold here because of these boots, and now I'm gonna use it too. So it's just Columbia, nothing special. Winter ice fishing boots. Yeah, also guys, I have a kind of, this is for hunting, but I'm not hunter. Red Heat, the brand, this is a North American brand, much better than I had before. I can really feel like it's really warmer. This is how it looks like. It's pretty good. And the jacket as well. Yeah, so no more cold, no more. I can tie it here for you, it doesn't matter, it's just for your choice. I'm gonna do it, it's because the wind's coming up. Yeah, there you go, completely done. Let's go fishing, guys, let's go fishing. So if you saw my previous video, I just use handle drill, and this is pretty sharp. This is Rapala, very sharp. You just need to know how to use it. You have to remember, you never punch your blade of the ice. Like, never punch an ice, never. Always take it on your hand, don't punch. I know a lot of people, they just, here you go, and then just bam, dun, and walking around. So, and then, oh, fucked up, my drill fucked up, blah blah blah, what's going on here? So the problem is, you guys fucked up. Your blade fucked up. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's go. There you go. As you can see, clear water, and it is about hey guys, it's really more than 1 feet, so you can even use car if you have it on the lake. We see. Oh, look at these birds here. Wow. What kind of bird is this? What kind of birds? What is this, guys? Who is that? Wow, this is insane. Look at this. Hi, guys. Wow. I don't know how fish talking, so she's dead already. Look guys, how beautiful here. Quiet and beautiful. Okay guys, and now let's go inside. There you go. So as you can see, it's pretty lighty here inside, and I took off my jacket and I have a hug. All what I do, just put the hug here. That's it. Oh, oh. Come on, it's 2 of them, see? 2! Okay, this is the shadow guy. Like just real fish. I was lucky with this guy on the Painey Lake. We'll see. Can I play here or not? Come on, man. I know you want it. Yes! Yes! I got one. There you go. Finally. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. There you go. Oh, the small guy. First throw for the day. It's funny. Nice throw. Really nice. Look at this color. Thank you so much. Go back. Thank you, bro. I'm so happy. I got my fish on net. This is a Shadow Master. I think Shadow Master. The red bubble here. I think this is plays good. I got already 3 trolls for this guy. 3. Looks like this is minnow, you know, like the minnow soaker or something, like maybe even brown troll. There you go. Yusuri. Make fish for me. Hi Windy. How are you? Okay guys, for now I put the white Joe Jacker, white Shadow Master, and you can see already fish. So yeah, let's go. Oh, this is my fish. Yes, I got it. Yeah. Good. What the heck? Look at this, guys. This is just a sark. Cool, buddy. See ya. Okay, good enough, guys. And now time to cook. I bought it from TNT and I want to try. I'm gonna fry it here. This one off. There you go. Did chop it too much, so just a little olive oil. See, looks like already hot. Yeah, I decided to cook inside of my tent because they're super windy now. Yeah, super windy. Even now I can see this is windy crazy. Why? Stop it. Stop it, my friend. Stop it. Look at this. Yummy. Never try frogs. I heard it's like chicken. I just want to put everything. I put everything because the time what we need for cooking all of this almost same, 15-20 minutes. Smells good, like a frog. Yeah, let me try. Okay, I think this is a biceps. It's a little bit fucked up, you know, like my brain doesn't work nice in this case. I don't want to eat it, but and then from other side I want. Let me try. Oh, that's nice. Like super soft. Doesn't taste like something ugly, what my brain was thinking about. I like it. So it's like a small chicken. See you in a moment. Whew. Okay, guys. My mental health's okay. All good. I ate everything. Everything was very nice. But I'm still hungry. Next time I have to grab some, I don't know, some oatmeal. Because this is not enough for me. So I'm just gonna use Power Weight tube. Same color. I didn't try it today, but I got some trout last year on it. Just wanna put some. I just wanna put the blanc on it, the garlic. It's inside, smells terrible, but that's good for fish, so. I saved it. Oh my god, the wind is so strong. Okay guys, so for today, good enough. Second time I'm here, and I just got two fish, and small guys, you know, they doesn't have a big one. I'm really worried about this situation here. Someone just dropped the tent, and good if nobody inside. Looks like it's just regular tent. Who fucking did it? This is so weak. Why? Someone did barbecue or something. See, this is right here. No, it's not human. Yeah, this is weird, because these constructions here are the thick, really thick. It's no solid ice, just wood, because they made a fire, right?
As I fled.
So, okay guys, I'm done for today. Thanks for your watching. I hope you will like it, and see you next week.
I was on the run from
So quiet.
every truth that didn't suit my needs. But it's over now, and I feel the quake shaking at my core. And it's a cold winter now. There's a dove with broken wings inside my chest. The wind bites and lacerates. Now every road just leads me into a dead end. And the body aches, awakening from all time. The dislocation style slowly gets pushed back. The blinds are slowly open, letting in. But it haunts me still that everything alive one day must die. It's a cold winter now, and I know regrowth often comes